Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do just a quick tutorial on a no-slip loop knot. What that's going to create is a small loop above your eye of your lure or your jig, so that jig or lure has a little bit more freedom and movement, more action when you're working it in the water, as opposed to tying directly a hard knot through it. So here we go. This is one of our jigs, Thump Custom Baits, hand-tied jigs we're going to use for the demonstration. And I have some 20-pound fluorocarbon leader that we're going to use. So first thing you want to do is you just want to make an overhand knot in your line. Just a simple overhand knot like that. Next, we're going to feed our tag in through the eye of our jig or lure, whatever you're using. We're going to bring that through. Now, if you look on our loop knot, you see how this line is coming out of this side of that loop. You want to take this back through the same direction. You don't want to come the opposite direction. You want to go through the same way. So you're going to go through the same way, and you're going to pull it down somewhere around there. But what you want to do is you want this to become your loop right here. Alright, so now that you passed your tag in through, we're going to take that and we're going to wrap it around this main line 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to go back through that overhand knot that we made at the beginning the exact same way that the lines are going through it. So we're going to go right back through it the same direction that they're coming out. Now we're going to go ahead and lubricate our knot. Just use a little saliva. That in there. Okay. Now you can pull down on your knot just like that. Tighten it up just like that. Pull on your lure, your jig. You can see what we've got is a nice loop. You give this lure, jig some action, some freedom. We'll go ahead and cut our tag end off. Just like that. Now you just made a no-slip loop knot. And then you can see it's not slipping. So now when you're working your lure, instead of having a hard knot directly tied to it, you'll get a little more action out of your lure, being that it's freed up in that loop. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.